What's going on, Orlando? Here are the best things happening this weekend.
But first, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Let your heart soar with the BreakRoom's new Valentine's Day menu dropping on February 1st. Enjoy an almond glaze, chocolate-covered cherry, and Teddy Graham latte.
Make a bracelet, backpack, fun pack, tee, hoodie, and more at the Valentines Day Workshop happening at Grace Hopper Hall.
Enjoy a night of live music, dancing, Cajun-inspired cuisine, and more at the Mardi Gras Fundraising Gala.
Get yummy plant-based bites and drinks while browsing local art at the plant-based night market happening at Persimmon Hollow Brewing.
Take a stroll down Virginia Drive as you enjoy live music, local food, and great brews at Virginia Drive Live.
And finally, head to Gatlin Hall Brewing for the Call Me Cupid singles party to enjoy bar games, drinks, and so much more.
That's all for now, Orlando. Be sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and our city guide.
Bye, Orlando!